How to fix screenshot not working in Realme C53 or C55. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I'm showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option accessibility. Now click on it and then scroll down and click on screenshot. Now here you can check your screenshot gestures. If you turn off your screenshot gestures, then turn it on. After turn on your screenshot gestures, then go back and click on system and update, and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.